Well, hi there! You're back. How good is that? I'm so happy that you've decided to join me on 101 Ways to Transform the Way You Cook. This one is episode 7 and it is caring. Yep, you heard it. Caring. I thought I'd put that one in. It's important. So I'm going to read you a bit from what it says from the book. It is crucial to care about our health and how we eat, as this affects our mental health. So how do we care? Finding meaning to our life. We have to first find and connect with the meaning to our life. This is the central socket that we generate our life from, where our core is, our passion. It is our passion that fuels our life. Food for thought, eh? Food for thought. Caring. Who would say that episode 7 is about caring? We've implemented so many things, but this is where we broaden and open up our heart, because sometimes we've got so much in there that we can't care because we've shut down. We can't care. We don't want to care because caring takes more effort. But when we've eliminated things that don't serve us and changed mindsets, we open up ourselves up. And when we open ourselves up, we open ourselves to caring. So it's important that we care about what we eat, how we eat, and meaning to our life. Because if we can't find meaning to our life, then we don't care about anything. When we find meaning, it's the central socket that finds meaning and passion together. You find people that are working, they love what they do. They're just passionate about what they do. It's because they found their meaning to life. So you have to find, you want to be the best cook. So that is the purpose and the meaning of caring. So you've got to care. You have to care. It's essential. It is worse than a daily practice rituals. You have to care about what you eat, how you eat. This is the core, as I've written down. It's the core of where our passion and the fuel lies. It's our heart. So sometimes we've shut down and we need to really, really care. We need to guard ourselves. You always have to guard yourself, because you've got to have your ground. So when we made the commitment in a episode, I think it was 3, where we made that commitment and we took up the challenge. So caring is important to the growth, because if we don't care, we're not going to grow. And I know that you think, no, you've got to care. This is your health and the health of your family and the health of people around you. If you don't have anyone, you're on your own, you have to care. I'm telling you, you have to care, because you can't have takeout, you can't eat rubbish. I've had friends that died from not caring, very, very young, because they had no meaning and purpose to their life. So caring opens you up to finding meaning and purpose. It's the core of where life lies. So when you actually care about you, you don't worry about what other people think, or whatever Joe Blow Up the Road's doing, or what everyone's doing. I don't look at anybody. I learn from different things and different people, but if I had to live my life for what other people are doing, I had a miserable, wretched life. I've only got one of it. So when I learned about not caring about what other people think and reversed it to caring about what I think, because it's the most number one priority is, I don't care what you or anyone thinks. I care about what I think. I care about me. I care about what's important for me, because if I care about me, then I become the higher version of myself, and then I can help other people, my children, grandchildren, my husband, my friends, my family. That's important. So that is a lifeline. Open up the channels and the heart to caring about your health, how you eat, what you're going to eat. Read labels. See what's in the back of them. If it's got too much sugar, don't eat it, because it goes your liver. They've got to function. It's got to do that. No. Care. What's in them? Read it. Think about that. What am I going to eat? You know, we're going to go into different stages. So this is episode of caring. I can't emphasize this anymore. This is just so, maybe that's why it's number 7. 7's such a lucky number. It really is. It is crucial, a pivotal point, a pivotal change to having that alignment and your energy of caring, because it will only attract more caring, and it will help you to grow and expand, and your caring factor will get bigger and bigger, because when you've reversed and you no longer care about what other people think, it's what number one priority is, what you think, what you care. You can only grow from that. Tell me what you think. I'd really like to know, because I think that's what, no one else will write this. No one else will tell you this. To be the best cook, it's about caring. You really, you can slam anything together. You can chuck anything together. But if you don't care the ingredients that you're putting together, you're not going to be the best, highest version of yourself, are you? You're just going to be mediocre. Who wants to be mediocre? Who wants to go? There's an old saying, you know, who reach for the stars. Reach for the stars. Why have we settled for second best in coming with our food? Reach for the stars. That's the most important. Eat like a king. Eat like a queen. Moderation, portion control, but eat food that is only going to be the best for you, but you've got to care. So please let me know what you think. I'm so super excited, really am. Thank you for being on this journey with me. I've learnt so much just on writing this book, this guide, to teach myself even more. I've learnt so much. And so I feel very honoured and very privileged to be able to share these videos and podcasts with you. So join me on the next one. I know you've joined me because you've been staying with me all this long, and a really wonderful journey. We're going to do so many things together. I've got so many things in store. So thank you. Ci vediamo. Arrivederci. Ciao.